All right, here we go with today's lesson in Adobe Express. We're going to call it a text photo sandwich. So we're going to go text photo text and you'll see what we're going to do. All right, we're going to come here, we're going to customize size. Keep it easy. Let's go to social post. Let's go to Instagram. It's the first one up. We're going to hit next. Very good. Up here, we're going to rename it Smith, put your last name underscore, and let's call it sandwich. All right, let's go here. Backgrounds. Choose a background. I'm going to choose, I'm just going to go from the trending backgrounds right now. What's trending? Something like, yeah, that looks like Mr. Smith. All right, I'm going to grab that. Okay. And then I'm going to need my photo that we have been using. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go upload my photo. There it is. There's my photo. Remove the background like we did. All right. Okay. So it's text, photo, text. So we're going to get some text here. And I'm going to add text right there. Click the button. All right. I'm going to change this to my last name, all capital letters. Okay. Make this nice and big across my face like this. Perfect. Okay. Excellent. Very good. Now I can change the font to whatever you want, but for now, for this moment, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay. I'm gonna go get color. We'll just use this. Sure, that'll work. We'll use this color. And then whatever this is, I want to copy it. So I'm gonna go Control C, copy that right there. All right. So now I know this. So I have this. I want this twice. All right. So I can either hit this button up here or just do our normal control copy, control paste. So I'm gonna hit that. Now I have Smith. I have this twice. Okay. You can see I got this twice. Now on the second one, I want to come over here to outline. I want to go transparent text. And I'm gonna make my line a little bit smaller all the way down so that when these guys lay on top of it, it is almost a perfect match. All right. Man, we are almost done. So we said that it needs to be text, photo, text. So these are my layers here. And notice I have text, text, photo. So I want to grab my photo and I want to slide it in between these two guys right here. And then watch what happens when I move my face, all right, takes up some of the text. See? Isn't that cool? All right, so I'm done. I got it where my face can go behind the letters all the time. All right. So it doesn't matter where I put my face. Smith pops up in front of it like that. See how it is? All right. So you're going to turn this in for me. I'm going to see where your face goes through the letters, but the letters still show up like this right here. All right. I could have made this outline. All right. Same color. My outline color could have been the same color as my other one if I wanted. I could have grabbed this one and then it gives that effect. Okay. And then if I don't like my background once I've done the work, I could come over here and let's say I want to choose a drastic background like this guy right here. I want to replace the background. Boom. All right. So this thing could go and replace the whole background. I just need to pull it back over here. And now I am in some type of psycho wacko world. But there you go. All right. You would do share to Google Drive, and you're done.